summary, it's happiness. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another summer DIY video for you guys. So I was on Pinterest as usual, guys, and I came across different summer tops that I think will be quick DIYs that will take around up 30 minutes to an hour to do. So I decided that I'm gonna do like a quick summer top DIY series where I show you how to make tops for summer. If you're learning how to sew, guys, then you can do this project while you can do all of the projects. And if you do follow one of my DIY videos, guys, make sure to tag me on Instagram and so I can see how your top is looking. And also for those who know how to sew, have forgotten, it's been a while, they're trying to ease their way back into sewing again, I say look at my quick summer top series and get right back into sewing. Okay guys, so this is the top that we are making, guys. So I have the top over here. As you can see, look at these pleats here, guys. They are gorgeous, and I also love the color. It's bright, it's summery, it's happiness. So guys, keep watching and you're gonna find out how I made this quick summer top, and make sure to watch until the very end where you can see how I look in the top. Guys, if you haven't done so, please make sure to subscribe below, hit the notification bell, and make sure to comment also and let me know what you guys think about my quick summer DIY. Alright guys, so the first thing that we are going to do is decide the length of our top. I decided to make my top 50 centimeters long. So you're gonna draw a vertical line going straight down that is 50 centimeters long. Then the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna measure your upper chest measurement, and you're gonna divide that by 4 and add 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. You are then going to measure from the top where your top is going to be starting to your bust point, so where your nipple is, and you're gonna mark that. For me, that was 18 centimeters. You are then going to measure your bust and divide it by 4 and add 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. And you're going to mark that on the paper. In my case, that was 27 centimeters. Now connect the point where you ended your upper chest mark and your bust mark and draw that line all the way down. Now make sure you cut this piece on the fold. For the back piece, use the same measurement but do not cut on the fold. Okay, so these are my calculations for the ruffle piece. You don't have to go through it, but if you're interested you can look through it. But basically I want 6 ruffles and each ruffle length is 22 centimeters. So and then I calculated if I want 6 ruffles on my top, I need the total length for those 6 ruffles is gonna be 132 centimeters. Then I added my upper chest measurement to that length, and that gave me a total length of 230 centimeters for my ruffle. And I'm gonna make the length of my ruffle 15 centimeters. As you can see, the fabric is stretchy. It's like a really nice fabric, nice and thick. Okay, so I've got my fabric folded. My fold on is on this side, and I've got my ruler over here. Now the top is supposed to be 50 centimeters long, and I'm just gonna mark that on the fabric. Here is my 50 centimeters right over there. The side is gonna be the top. Hey guys, so you made it to the end of the tutorial. So this is the top. This is how it's looking under me. It's got pleats all around to the front and the back. One of the great things, as I said about this top, is that you don't need a zipper. You just, because of this fabric, it's really elasticy. So the most difficult part of this tutorial is just getting your measurements right, and then the rest of it is very easy. It's a quick tutorial, 30 minutes tutorial. If you got 30 minutes to spare, why don't you make yourself a quick summer top, ruffle top, guys? So guys, let me know what you guys think of the tutorial. If you try the tutorial, make sure to tag me on social media, on Instagram, and let me see your version of this top, and I will catch you guys next time. But wait, if you have not done so, guys, don't forget to subscribe below, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you in my next